Hi, it's Jez from R&J Machinery. Thanks for watching the demo video on the new Hebrock F2 Next Edgebander. Before I show you the control system, follow me around the back and I'll show you what's inside. Here is the front end of the Hebrock F2. We have the pre-milling unit with pre-milling adjustment, two adjusters for the tape thickness. These are the only mechanical adjustments you'll need to do for the tape thickness. Then we have the quick heat glue pot. This glue system is quick release, quick heat and easy to clean. We then have the guillotine. We can feed the tape through, up to the guillotine, and then we're ready to start running. In the next cabin, we've got the end trim saw for front and back trimming. We've got the top and bottom milling units with pneumatic control, automatically adjustable from the controller at the front end. And then we've got the glue scrapers. For cleaning or for changing to a different interchangeable glue pot, it's really easy to remove the pot from the F-Series Edgebander. By disconnecting the pneumatics and the electrics and removing the handle for the glue plunge, we can lift the pot out. Now we're looking towards the 15-inch touchscreen control. As you can see, it's nice and clear with an image of what we're expected to see from the finished panel. The first thing we need to do is turn on the glue pot. Once we've pushed the button, the icon goes green, and that shows us that the aggregate has been enabled. Underneath each working unit, we can see there's a spanner. Once we press on the spanner, we're given options. On the Hebrock, we're able to switch between the use of EVA and PUR, and to very quickly change the glue temperature whenever we need. Across the top, these icons show which units are working. We have the pre-milling, which is turned on, the guillotine, the end trim saws, top and bottom radius trimmers, glue scrapers, and as you can see, they're currently turned off. These are determined by the program that we choose. Down the right-hand side, we have a list of programs which you can control, change, and edit the names. At the moment, we have 1mm tape, so we would select the 1mm program. Once the 1mm program has been pressed, the machine sets itself up to run the process that we've already selected. As you can see, the working temperature is heating up. This takes around 3.5 minutes, and then it's ready to run. The machine is now up to temperature, and it's set to run at 10 meters a minute. We can press the start button and wait for the green light to come on. Once the green lights come on, we can run the panel. Once we've finished using 1mm or 2mm tape, if we need to change over to the next tape thickness, it's super easy. Just a press of the button to the next saved folder, and it sets itself up with no mechanical adjustment needed. The Hebrock F2 is the most compact of the F range. It's still hugely flexible and easy to use and creates a fantastic finish. If you would like any more information, give us a call or send us an email.